Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, does a great job of mapping out a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move on the bulls' part. I mean, when you consider where it was towards the lows of the day to where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls, the price, certainly made a very nice upwards move today. But that does lead to the very logical and valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area on the chart is down here at 0036. Why is 0036 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0036. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back more, not saying, well, let's just pretend, does something like this. So after that, what would you then have from a big picture perspective? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 0036. So a very important level going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to talk about those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not a top priority. Top priority is go through healthy consolidation and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So great way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.